Hi students, welcome to the next session. In today's session, we are discussing the second exercise in this chapter, exercise 3.2. So in this chapter, same model questions I will give homework and different type of questions I will explain. Now listen the first question. A matrix is given, B matrix is given, C matrix is given. Then you need to verify A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. So first I am finding LHS, after that I am finding RHS, finally I will check both LHS and RHS are same or not. So first I am finding B minus C. See how to find this B minus C? B matrix minus C matrix. How to do subtraction? First element minus first element, second element minus second element, third element minus third element. Like that you can subtract. So for finding B minus C, 3 minus 4, it becomes minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1, minus 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 0, 4. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 0 minus half minus 2, it becomes plus 2. 3 minus 3, it becomes 0. So this is the value of B minus C. Next, I am finding LHS. What is LHS? A plus B minus C. That is nothing but we are adding A matrix and which matrix? B minus C matrix. That's why first already we find B minus C. So we need to add these two matrices. Adding also same procedure. First element plus first element, second element plus second element, third element plus third element, like that. So if you do the simplification, 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 3 plus 0, minus 3. 5 plus 4, 9. 0 minus 1, minus 1. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 2, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. So this is the value of LHS. Next, we need to find RHS. That's why first I am finding A plus B. What is meant by A plus B? We need to add two matrices A and B. These two matrices we need to add. 1 plus 3, it becomes 4. 2 minus 1, it becomes 1. Minus 3 plus 2, it becomes minus 1. 5 plus 4, it becomes 9. 0 plus 2, it becomes 2. 2 plus 5, it becomes 7. 1 plus 2, it becomes 3. Minus 1 plus 0, it becomes minus 1. 1 plus 3, it becomes 4. Now I am finding RHS. What is RHS? A plus B minus C. The meaning of this one is this A plus B matrix and the C matrix, we need to do subtraction. A plus B matrix already we know, C matrix is given in the question. Now I am doing subtraction for these two. Okay. What is the first element here? 4. Here 4. 4 minus 4, 0. What is second element here? 1. Here 1. 1 minus 1, 0. What is third element? Minus 1. Here 2. Minus 1 minus 2, it becomes minus 3. What is the fourth element? 9. Here 0. 9 minus 0, it becomes 9. What is the fifth element? 2. Here 3. 2 minus 3, it becomes minus 1. What is the sixth element? 7. Here 2. 7 minus 2, it becomes 5. What is the seventh element? 3. Here 1. 3 minus 1, it becomes 2. What is the eighth element? Minus 1. Here minus 2. Minus 1, it becomes plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2, it becomes 1. What is the last element here? 4. What is the last element here? 3. 4 minus 3, it becomes 1. Now finally verify this LHS matrix and RHS matrix. What is LHS matrix? 0 0 minus 3 0 0 minus 3 9 minus 1 5 9 minus 1 5 2 1 1 2 1 1. So finally we got LHS is equal to RHS. So this is important question for 5 marks. Understood? So for adding or subtraction, we are following the procedure: first element plus first element, second element plus second element, third element plus third element. Like that we will proceed. So this is a question important for 5 marks. Now we will discuss another question. Homework questions all I will give in the ending of the class. First I will explain these two. Okay. Now we will discuss next one. Simplify cos theta into cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. We need to simplify this one. How to simplify this one? This entire matrix is multiplied with cos theta. This entire matrix is multiplied with sin theta. Entire matrix in the sense each and every element in the matrix is multiplied with cos theta. Here also each and every element in the matrix is multiplied with sin theta. If you multiply each and every element with cos theta, now cos into cos, it becomes cos square. Second, cos theta into sin theta. Third, cos theta into minus sin theta, minus cos theta sin theta. Cos into cos, it becomes cos square. Similarly, the second matrix is each and every element is multiplied with which one? Sin theta. Now sin into sin, sin square theta. Sin into minus cos, minus sin theta cos theta. Sin into cos, sin theta cos theta. Last sin into sin, sin square theta. Now add these two matrices. That equals to, what is the first element here? Cos square theta. Plus, what is the first element here? Sin square theta. What is second element here? Cos theta sin theta. What is second element here? Minus sin theta cos theta. What is third element here? Minus cos theta sin theta. Plus, here third element is sin theta cos theta. What is the fourth element here? Cos square theta. What is the fourth element here? Sin square theta. Now this value get cancelled. This value get cancelled. In trigonometry, we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. Now there is nothing but 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1 is which matrix? Identity matrix. So finally, the simplification of this one will give which matrix? Identity matrix. So this is question number 2. Next, I am explaining question number 3. It is important for 3 marks. This model already we discussed. Once again I am explaining one more question. So one question I will explain, one question I will give homework. Now the question is, find capital X and capital Y if 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0 and 3x plus 2y equals to 2 minus 2 minus 1 5. Find x and y. So this is a question. 2 equations given. From these 2 equations, we need to find the matrix X and matrix Y. Why I am taking matrix X, matrix Y? Because in this question, they given capital X and capital Y. Capital letters are always matrices, small letters are element. First I am taking, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. I am simplifying these two equations. So first equation is multiply with 3. Second equation is multiply with 2. Okay? The first equation, if you multiply with 3, 3 into 2x, 6x. 3 into 3y, 9y. Minus. Second equation is multiply with 2, 2 into 3x, 6x. 2 into 2y, 4y. So this is left side. Now right side. First equation is multiply with 3. So this total matrix is multiply with 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12. 3 into 0, 0. Now second equation is multiply with 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 2 5 is 10. Now here 6x, 6x gets cancelled. Then 9y minus 4y, it becomes 5y. That equals to 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus half minus, it becomes plus. 9 plus 4, 13. 12 minus half minus, it becomes plus. 12 plus 2, 14. 0 minus 10, it becomes minus 10. Now send 5 this side, it becomes divided by 5, that is 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, minus 10 by 5. You can simplify, 10 by 5 is nothing but 2. So finally we got which matrix? Y matrix. But we required which matrix? X matrix. For finding X, we have two types. One is substitute this Y matrix in equation 1 or equation 2. Or otherwise, same solution I am solving, you will get multiplying with 3, multiplying with 2. That method if you apply, you will get. See here, you observe, first equation is multiply with 3. Second equation is multiply with 2. You got Y. Or otherwise, first equation is multiply with 2. Second equation is multiply with 3. Then also you will get. So you can follow any procedure. But here I am doing the method that is substituting here. Okay? Okay. You substitute in equation 1. What is equation 1? 2x plus 3y. Y how much? 2 by 5. 13 by 5. 14 by 5. Minus 10 by 5 is equal to, what is the matrix? 2, 3, 4, 0. Now it becomes 2x is equal to 2, 3, 4, 0. This plus, it go to that side, becomes minus. 3 into 2 by 5, 6 by 5. 3 into 13 by 5, 39 by 5. 3 into 14 by 5, 42 by 5, 3 into 10 by 5, minus 30 by 5. Okay, now 2x is equal to, simplify, 2 minus 6 by 5. You do the simplification, 2 minus 6 by 5 is nothing but 5 2 just 10, minus 6 is nothing but 4 by 5. Similarly, 3 minus 39 by 5. So, minus 24 by 5. Correct? Next. 4 minus 42 by 5 minus 22 by 5. 0 minus half minus, it becomes plus, that is 30 by 5. You send 2 this side, it becomes divided by 2. Now the answer is x equals to 4 by 10 minus 24 by 10 minus 22 by 10 30 by 10. So final answer, 4 by 10 is nothing but 2 by 5. 24 by 10 is nothing but 12 by 5. 22 by 10 is nothing but 11 by 5. 30 by 10 is nothing but 3. So first we got the value of y. Substitute this y value either in equation 1 or equation 2. You will get the value of x. Or otherwise you can follow one more method. Like this you can simplify it directly. You will get x value. How to simplify? In here we did equation 1 is multiply with 3. Equation 2 is multiply with 2. You can take reverse. Equation 1 is multiply with 2. Equation 2 is multiply with 3. If you apply that procedure also, you will get X matrix. So finally we got X matrix and Y matrix. So this is a procedure. Now same model. I am giving one question homework. Already this model question